Here I have Motorola Moto E7i Power, and today I'm going to show you how to access developer options on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the about phone section, then find the line build number here, tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options in the system section, advanced, and here they are. Here you have your super interesting and super useful developer options. You can also disable them here, and after that they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.